Today is really about storytelling. We will watch some examples of machinima, and we will understand how we can use machinima for storytelling. And then we're gonna do storyboarding, all this stuff, so that we can basically do machinima. We think that really everything is based on storytelling in the end, and it's important for people to tell their own stories.
We really want to see kind of the creative things that you guys come up with, and that inspiration or motivation could come from anywhere.
My idea is that we'd go around and you would each tell your story. It can be quite short, you know?
So my dad, when I was little, he said there was 12 animals who was like chosen to be in a race, and whoever so depending on what place they came in, they would be the fifth, the first, or the last animal on the zodiac.
Well, I've always been sci-fi, fantasy, superheroes, mostly futuristic things, because I'm so fascinated by advanced technology.
And when the geese saw him, they asked him what he was doing. But then he couldn't hear them until they got closer, so that they thought that he can hear them.
He walked to the water, they flew away, okay? So then I know that I have to have a picture of somebody probably saying, I want to eat you, so I draw this coyote guy, or maybe is it a close-up? Is it from far away? Okay, this is where I start to think about that. I think this is actually awesome. I think we're ready to work. Do you feel like you are?
When we're making a film or a machinima, we really like to keep a detailed list of everything that is in the film.
So it could be like a legend, starting from there and kind of building up as the world kind of builds up itself as well.
Once upon a time, the Saskatchewan was strolling along the creek until he spotted 5 geese. He thought to himself, I could go for some geese. So then he thought of a plan. He went back to the trees, grabbed some moss from them.
And then where does the camera look?
These
That's
eagles
5
are very
geese.
expensive. I don't know why.
And where are the 5 geese actually? Are they flying? Are they hanging out? So we need to, we're going to answer that in the storyboard.